Welcome back to my channel, Your Success Matters. I'm your host, Velvet Briere. If you're new to the channel, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos I post. Okay, so today's video is going to be about a surprise and my direct mail money welcome kit I got. So I got to sign up for in Cash Money System Unlimited. Derek Walker signed up under me at the phase 1 membership phase. And as a result, I got a $25 commission. You guys, here's 20, here's 5, $25. Okay, and this is the commission form that you get when you join, when someone joins you. Let me cover his information up real quick. This is the commission form that you get when someone signs up under you in the Cash Money System Unlimited opportunity. Okay, so that is oops, sorry, my bad, wrong thing. Okay, sorry. So that is Derek Walker welcoming you to Cash Money System Unlimited. He took major action and he joined me at phase 1. Okay, and as a result, I received $25. If you guys are interested in joining under Derek, his ID number is 4967. Again, his ID number is 4967. Okay, get with him in Cash Money System Unlimited. Okay, and I also received my direct mail. Let me go back here. Direct mail money welcome kit. So I'm going to show you guys what's in it real quick, so you guys know what you get in your welcome kit, right? Okay, don't forget anything here. All right, so now I can show you guys these beautiful postcards, and so here are the postcards. This is the inside of the postcard, and that's the outside. Yay! Direct mail money. Now remember, I told you guys to join this opportunity for the basic membership. It is only a one-time $20 to join the basic membership. Okay, you get 5 postcards, 5 stamps, 5 leads. You get 5 beautiful postcards. Okay, these are the leads here, and I got the stamps right here. 5 stamps. So 5 postcards, 5 leads, 5 stamps. Right, and I also received $1, so total $26. Okay, so that is what I received. This is what you receive in your direct mail money welcome kit. Okay, remember, the basic membership is only $20 one time to join. You'll get 5 postcards, 5 stamps, 5 leads, and every time someone joins you, pays their $20, you will receive a $10 commission every single time. Now when you want to earn bigger money, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Hold on. That. Okay, hold on. Here they are. The advertising. Hold on, you guys. 1 second. Okay, so advertising income packet. Right here. Advertising income packet. Right here. Okay, we have bronze, gold, econo, silver, and platinum. All right, remember I did a video letting you guys know breakdown of how much everything is. Now, when you want to earn more with direct mail money, you're going to need more postcards, more stamps, and more leads. So you're going to need to purchase your AIPs ASAP. You're going to need to purchase them, okay? You're going to need to purchase them, okay? So that's direct mail money. I got my welcome kit, and I'm going to be mailing out these postcards. And the leads and everything. Also, back to Cash Money System Unlimited. So it's a one-time $50 to join at phase 1. Everyone must come in. That's the membership level. You pay your one-time $50. You will get you'll get 200 postcards, 200 leads, and if you need stamps, you'll pay an additional $50 and get 200 forever stamps. You don't have to do that; it's optional. But if you need the stamps, I recommend getting them, because then you'll have your postcards, your leads, and your stamps, and you're good to go. Okay. Now, you will get a $25 commission, as you guys saw. Every time someone joins you at phase 1, you get a $25 commission. Okay, $25. And then you get a $25 commission every single time someone joins you at phase 1. When you're ready to upgrade, you simply upgrade to phase 2 level 1, and phase 2 starts all the levels. All the levels in phase 2. There's 8 levels at phase 2. Phase 2 level 1 is where everyone has to start. You could pay a one-time $100 and earn $70 commissions. Now, if you would like to pay for phase 1 and phase 2, you simply pay $150 for both phases. You'll be able to earn $70 commissions on phase 2 and $25 commissions on phase 1. Every time someone comes in at phase 1 under you, you get $25 commission. Every time someone comes in at phase 2 level 1 under you, you get a $70 commission. That's every single time, okay? And that's where the residual income starts, all right? So right now, Thais is going to get a $20 commission for me joining, for me getting a sign up. Actually, no, sorry. You don't get anything on your phase 1, signups. But when you join phase 2 level 1, your sponsor gets a commission as well as JD Marketing. So you get a $70 commission every time you bring someone in and that upgrades and joins you at phase 2 level 1. And your sponsor will get a commission, and so will JD Marketing. JD Marketing is the owner. He will get something as well. So everybody wins. And yeah, that's it. So there's 3 ways to join Cash Money System Unlimited. The first way is through the mail. I can mail you a postcard or email you a flyer. You'll basically print out the flyer, and you'll fill it out with your information. My ID number is already on it. My ID number is 4772. My ID number's on there. So you'll just simply fill out the flyer, put your information on it, and you're going to mail a $50 money order to Jay along with that flyer filled out, or the postcard filled out, $50 money order to Jay, and then he'll email you your copy of your flyer, as well as he'll email or text you your ID number, okay? Or you can sign up with Cash App. Cash App is $50. You just Cash App J Dagan the $50, and then after you do that, you're going to send him an email with your name, your address, my name, which is Velvet Briere, and my ID number, which is 4772, okay? You're going to send him that information, and he is going to be able to send out your welcome kit, get you your ID number as well as a copy of your flyer emailed to you. And then he will send out the commission to me because you joined under me. When you start getting signups, it's the same thing. You have to tell them the same exact thing, because people need to know, like when you Cash App Jay Dagan the money, he needs to know who you are. Okay, just because he knows who your name, he doesn't know you, he doesn't know your address, he doesn't know who you signed up under. So please make sure, if you're going to join Cash Money System Unlimited, you need to make sure that if you're going to Cash App him the $50, make sure after you send that payment, you send him an email letting him know, hi, my name is so-and-so, I just joined under Velvet Briere in the Cash Money System Unlimited Opportunity, ID number 4772. I sent you a Cash App payment of $50. My address is this. I would like to join the Cash Money System Unlimited Opportunity, okay? That's for Cash App. Now, the website, I will leave the link to the website below, okay? Pay attention, you guys, because these are instructions you need to follow. There is a form. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to a form. You're going to need to put my ID number, 4772, in that form, and then your information, which is your name, your address. And then after you complete that, you're going to click on the submit button one time only. It's going to take you to a payment page, and you can then sign up and join phase 1, pay your $50, and then you're good to go. Jay Dagan will email or text you your ID number, and he can email you a copy of your flyer. Okay? My advice to you guys, in any direct mail, either flyers or postcards, please stay consistent. Mail out your postcards, mail out your flyers, because you're really, really, really going to need it. You're going to need it. I'm telling you, you're going to need to stay consistent. You're going to need to stay consistent with restocking up your material, your mailing supplies. You're going to need to stock up on your mailing supplies, okay? Today, I'm out working, so I'm going to be stocking up on some more of my mailing supplies, okay? So I got my welcome kit from Direct Mail Money, and I also received a commission, a $25 commission for Derek Walker joining me in the Cash Money System Unlimited Opportunity. Thank you so much, Derek, for that. Great things are going to happen for you and your family. If you have a family, I don't know, but we will talk, and I will go over some things with you, because you're going to need. I have some things I have for you, and I really appreciate you joining me. Things are really going to change for you and your family, and I speak great things over you, and I just really pray and that this opportunity really helps you out, because it is a game changer, I can tell you that much. So, and Thais, if you're watching this, thank you for being a wonderful sponsor, a wonderful mentor. I love you, girl. I'm so thankful to God that I met you. You have no idea. Your videos make me feel better. They just speak life into me every time I watch your videos. You know, sometimes I'll be down and out about something, some things we discussed, and you can say something that'll just make me feel so much better. So, Thais, thank you so much. And everyone else watching this video, like, share, subscribe, click on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And let's get it, you guys. Let's make a change in someone's life, okay? So like I said, Cash Money System Unlimited. I'll leave the link to the website below. The link there, it'll take you to a form. You just put my ID number on that form, 4772, and fill out the information. Put your information, your name, your address, and then submit the click the submit button once. Submit the form once, and then it'll take you to a payment page. Enter your payment details and join Cash Money System Unlimited. And then when you're ready to upgrade, after you've made enough commissions, when you're ready to upgrade, simply upgrade and take it from there. And if you're interested in joining me in direct mail money, like I said, it is a one-time $20, and you will receive $10 commissions every time someone purchases a $20 basic membership and joins under you. And when you're ready to purchase your AIPs, you simply purchase those because you're going to need more postcards, more leads, and more stamps. And like I told you, this is what the postcard looks like. Close up. And this is what it looks like on the outside, okay? And I have to write my code on there. My code is 1673. For those of you that don't know, my code is 1673 for direct mail money. So if you guys are interested in joining me in direct mail money, I can mail you a postcard. I can even email you one. You just print it out, and on a separate sheet of paper, you're gonna basically mail in the printed out copy of this flyer, of this postcard. I'm sorry. You're gonna print out a copy of this postcard that I'm gonna email to you, and on a separate sheet of paper, you're gonna put your name, your address, and you're gonna put my name, Velvet Briere, my ID number 1673, and you're basically going to mail it in like that with your payment. Mail in your $20 cash or money order, no checks. So you're going to mail in your $20 cash or money order to the address on this postcard, direct mail money. The address is right here. Or you can call and apply and do it over the phone. You can call Merrill McQueen, contact him, and sign up over the phone. But just make sure you give him my ID number, which is 1673. 1673 for direct mail money, you guys. If you're going to sign up, if you're going to do it over the phone, you can Cash App him, or I can mail you a postcard. There are no flyers with this opportunity, only postcards, okay? So I can email you a copy of this postcard, print it out, and on a separate sheet of paper, put your name, your address, my name, my ID number, 1673, and enclose your payment. Secure your payment. Make sure that you make sure you send your payment in as well, your $20 cash or money order, no checks, to this address listed on the postcard. And once he receives it, then he will mail out your welcome kit. Okay, and that's basically it. You can be receiving $10 cash payments over and over with this opportunity. Okay, so that's what I got, and I received $1, and I got my welcome kit, and I got $25 plus the $126 altogether. So $25 from Derek Walker for joining me in the Cash Money System Unlimited. I got $1 from direct mail money. Thank you, Merrill McQueen, for that. All right, so yeah, I actually recorded this video. I was recording it, but then, you know, my son, the baby, started, you know, getting a little fussy, so I had to stop and re-record. But now he's asleep, so he cried himself to sleep, as babies do. But he's 8 months now, so, you know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I know a lot of you out there are not familiar with direct mail, but I can tell you right now, because I was discussing this with my husband a minute ago, you know, direct mail is not for everybody. You know, he wouldn't be able to do it. My husband, he would not be able to do it. He's not patient enough. You see, I've been in Cash Money System Unlimited now for 3 months. Okay, and this is my first sign up. First sign up with Cash Money System Unlimited. First $25. And many more to come. Okay, so, you know, I'm not boasting or bragging. You know, I brought this to you guys, so, because I know a lot of you guys want to see that it pays first before you join. Because I know Me personally, I'll be honest with you. I don't look at that when I'm in, researching an opportunity. I don't look at if a person received a sign up or not. I look at, you know, the person theirself. Like, I look at how they're presenting the opportunity. Are they speaking good things about it? Are they speaking negatively about it? Are they uplifting their team? Like, when they get signups, are they talking more about their team, or are they just flashing the money? You know, money, you know, we need to pay our bills, right? We all need money, right? But if all you're doing is flashing the money, yes, that attracts people, but that's not going to keep people, because, you know, my results aren't going to be your results, and your results aren't going to be somebody else's. Everybody works differently, okay? But if you're going to get in direct mail, you need to mail out what you can. Don't try to mail out 100 postcards or 100 flyers if you know you can't even afford 100 stamps to mail out 100 flyers or 100 postcards. Do what you can afford. Make a budget. I set a budget. That is why I'm slowly but surely getting everything I need for direct mail, because I'm not going to sit there and go buy everything when I don't have, when I can't fit that all into my budget. I joined Direct Mail Money because it fit into my budget. I joined Cash Money System Unlimited because it fit into my budget, and I had it to spare after I paid all my bills. Okay, so when you set a budget, that helps you so much better as well, because you can join opportunities and you can stock up on your mailing supplies as you go along. Okay, so I don't want to make this video long. I just wanted to come on here and remember, the title of this video is my first commission in Cash Money System Unlimited, as well as my direct mail money welcome kit. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Many more to come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Take care and stay safe, guys.